Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:34 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedarville to near Cheyenne, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McHenry Park, Rockville, South Beloit, Rockton, Byron, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Forreston, Durand, Stillman Valley, New Milford, Monroe Center, Reed River, Seward, and Adeline, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 111 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 18. This includes Rockcliffe State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Riddick Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11 a.m. At 9 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of McHenry to 19 nautical miles northwest of O'Hare Airport to 8 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 550, effective until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana, LaPorte and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan, Berrien and Cass, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:07 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Liberty to Inverness to near Sleepy Hollow, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Skokie, Des Plaines, Irwin, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, and Addison. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Schaumburg Bruins Baseball, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Wheatley Field, the Loop, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor